What is going on, guys? Welcome back. Today guys, is Saturday. I finally got a little bit of time on my hands. I gotta go out. I gotta get this machine placed. I still got the U-turn with me. I gotta get this U-turn machine placed, guys. So with that being said, we are going to get up out of here and try to place this machine, man. It is Saturday. I'm gonna try to go place this machine somewhere. Wish me luck, guys. I'll let you know how I do. So with that being said, let's get right into it and let's take off. So guys, I'm at stop number 1. I'm gonna go inside here at this cleaner place, dry cleaner, another dry cleaner location. I'm gonna see what's up. I think that's the owner inside now, because I've came around before and I've seen him. He seems to be the only one here, and I believe his name is Steven Thomas. So we'll see what he says, and yeah, I'm gonna try to go in there and put this machine, man. If not, I'm gonna continue all day. I gotta get this machine in somewhere today. But guys, that's the thing about vending. Like, you can't go to 3 places and get no's and be like, oh, I'm done for the day, I give up. Guys, it could be easy to give up. Don't give up. Really, don't give up. In vending, you cannot give up. You have to push. There's so many locations out there, so many businesses. You could live, it doesn't matter what anyone says. You could live in a small city, small county, but there could still be thousands of businesses. And there could be machines out there, and there's probably no machines out there. So with that being said, go out, put in the work. Man, there's no such thing as rejection. I got this from Dominic Barbado. Shout out to Dom Barbado, man. There's no such thing as rejection. It's common sense. If you go out to a location, right, when you walk into the location, you walked in with nothing. You walked in with no location. So if you go in and get a no and you walk out with that no, you walked in the same way you walked out. You walked out the same way you walked in. It's the same thing. But if you get the location, you won. You're winning now. You got to put your machine in there. But like I said, there's no rejection, guys. There's no rejection. Go out there. If you get a no, go to the next one. Who cares? With that being said, I'm going right in here, dry cleaning place. Wish me luck. Let's see what happens. All right, guys, we're going to head out of here. Elaine, spoke to him a little bit. I left my card with him. He said he'll give me a call back. Hopefully he does. He lives right near me, so I'm going to bug him if he doesn't call me. He's literally right here in this plaza, busy plaza. So if he doesn't call me, I'm coming back in. And I will come back in today and ask him if he wants that machine. So stay tuned, guys. So far, that's a maybe. I'm going to keep going because I got to get a yes today. I got to get this machine placed. So stay with me. So, guys, I have currently been out for, I don't know, an hour. Maybe a little bit more. No luck. No luck. Literally no luck. One thing I have noticed, like, I don't live in the smallest city, but I don't also live in the biggest city. But there's other surrounding cities around me that are just 10, 15 minutes away, 20 minutes away, and I don't even mind going 30 minutes to a location if it's a good location. But I haven't got any luck, and one thing I do notice is the competition is pretty heavy. There's lots of machines out there. Not that they can't be replaced, but it's a little harder to replace machines when you're just starting and you're just getting your feet wet. And but I'm not gonna give up. I do have some thoughts in my head that we'll talk about a little later at the end of this video, about going a different route with this, because for those of you who don't know, I'm just big on family and I'm big on time. One thing is that time is very valuable. Time you can't get back. So all this time I'm putting in right now, I'm not home. I'm putting in the work for my business, but so far I haven't gotten anywhere. So I may go a little different route as far as my vending business. I'll tell you guys a little bit more, and maybe some of you guys who don't have as much time but want locations, there's other options. Obviously, we'll talk about that soon. There is options on how to get locations without spending much time. But yeah, guys, I gotta get this machine placed today. I already passed out 2 cards, so I got 2 maybes so far, but no yeses, and I haven't been really rejected yet. And a lot of businesses have had machines in them, so I'm gonna keep going. I gotta find somewhere. I gotta put this U-turn in there. Once I get that placed, then we may go a different route with this, because I'm spending tons of time doing this. I'm spending tons of time. That's one thing about the vending business. You're gonna spend a lot of time, and this requires time up front to find your locations. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna probably go a different route with this, because my time is valuable, and like I said, I rather my time than anything else with my family. Money's not a problem. But at the end of this video, we'll talk a little bit more about what you can do to get locations quicker and faster than just going out and spending your whole day finding no locations, or either just one location. But stay tuned, guys. Stay blessed. Your boy Mark, the Mercado Channel. We're here.
Hey everyone. So today, Babe has me going out to locations, which I'm not happy about, because that's not really my comfort zone. I'm definitely out of it. I get very nervous talking to people, and I turn very red because I'm white. I have very, very fair skin, so you can see when I'm nervous or whatever. But he has me going to nail salons because he doesn't want to go to nail salons, but I don't want to go to nail salons either, because they're the worst. The owners are sitting and working on somebody's nails, and then you go and ask for the owner, and then everyone's staring at you, and then you try to tell them about your business and whatever, and then they just, I don't know if they like understand exactly what you're trying to offer them, so they just say no. So it's like, it's embarrassing. Definitely out of my comfort zone. But I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm gonna try and go to a few more nail salons. I've already been to a couple. They said no. One said they didn't have room. One said they'll take a card. So I'm gonna go drop a card off to them. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. Guys, this is super hard. I don't know how Babe does it, but no one is having it. I went to probably every single nail salon that I can think of. I've been to a hair salon. I've been to a pet grooming place. I've been to a pizza shop, and everybody is just saying no. I'm like, dang! I can't get one yes. I just feel like a failure. It sucks, but I'm trying. I'm gonna do a little bit more. I want to go home. I'm gonna try and see if I can find a couple more places. Wish me luck.
So guys, I am back home. When I got home, she went out to look for locations. She went out, shout out to her. She put in the work. She went to a bunch of nail salons, pizza shops. She had absolutely no luck, guys. No luck at all. Just tell everyone your experience in finding locations for the first time.
It was very hard and nerve-wracking. Well, for me, because I get very nervous talking to people, but I don't know. I just feel like sometimes people think that you're trying to like sell them something, so they just like say no. But I don't know. It's hard.
She says it's hard. Guys, don't get discouraged. Like I said before in this video, it could be easy to give up. I mean, I'm not giving up. I'm going to put in as much time into this as I can. But I'd rather be home with my family than to lose all this time and wasting money and gas. So I'm going to go maybe a different route on my vending business, in which we'll speak later on about it.
We're thinking about it.
We're thinking about it. But guys, we're going to continue working hard at this, Who cares? Just go out there, try to find locations. Like, I don't know, she must have went to 15 places, got all no's, but you can go out tomorrow on a better day and get maybe a couple yeses. That's just how vending works. So we're just going to keep pushing and trying to find these locations. But today was no success. We did not find any locations. I went out for about an hour or so. She went out for about an hour or so.
Well, every day is not going to be a good day. That's the truth.
That's another thing. Every day is not going to be a good day. There's always better days, though. So if you're going out there, you're getting rejected left and right, Realistically, there is no rejection. But if you're getting a bunch of no's, just like I said, guys, think about it like this. You walk in the business, you have no location. You walk out of the business with no location, you're still at 0%. It's almost like you never walked in. So don't be mad at yourself. Don't discourage yourself. Don't be upset. Keep moving. There's, like I said, thousands of businesses. You could live in the smallest county, smallest city. You're still gonna get a location. It's just who's gonna let you put it, and you just gotta put in the work for it. You just gotta really go to every single business you see and try to get your machine out there. That's all it's about. So we went to a bunch of locations where there's thousands of more locations that we didn't go to. So we'll save that for another time. Thank you for watching, guys. We appreciate it. The Mercado channel here. Stay blessed. Stay safe.
Thumbs up.